Our friend Kyle just wanted to play Airsoft, and now he's quit because of your attitudes. What do you have to say for yourselves?
Bruh.
Yeah, brah, great. Thank you. I can't. Guys, things have to improve. They just have to. I've never seen anyone so disrespectful